We'll guide you through how to fix a printer not recognized by your computer. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you wanted to go and print something out and your printer is not showing up. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So I'm just going to go and open up Word now. I'm going to come to the top left and go and press File, go down and press Print. If I come and press Printer, I can see my printer is not showing up here. So let's go and get started with fixing this. So what you want to do is go to the bottom and you can go and press Search. You can follow this whether you're using Windows 11 or 10, it doesn't matter. You want to go and type in Control Panel like so and go and click there. This will then go and open up and you want to go and find Hardware and Sound. At the top, go and press Devices and Printers. Now you may go and find that your settings open up here, that's fine. What you need to do is go down and press Devices and you then want to go and scroll down and so you get into related settings and find more devices and printer settings at the bottom and click there. The control panel will then go and open up again. So what you can do is you can go and find add a printer at the top and you want to go and click there. Just go and wait. You may go and find the printer then goes and appears here. If it doesn't, don't worry. We're still going to guide you through what to do if it doesn't. But if it does, what we can do is we can go and select it here and you then want to go and press next in the bottom. You can see that it's connecting here. Just be patient. Then you're going to go and see it's going to go and begin installing. So what's going to do is going to go and install the necessary files that it goes and needs and essentially go and get the drivers that it needs. So we've now successfully gone and added it. So now the printer should go and be recognized. You can go and print a test page here and you can go and press finish. And now let's go and say I return to Word or somewhere else where I want to go and print. I can come over to the left here and it's now seeing my printer here and it's being recognized, which is what we wanted. But if you find that it isn't, then what we can do is press add a printer. So let's go and say it isn't appearing at the top here. You want to go to the bottom here and you can go and press the printer that I want isn't listed. Now you can go and see these different options. You want to come right to the bottom to where it says add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. With add a local printer or network printer with manual settings selected, you just want to make sure you've got it plugged in via the USB. Now, after you've gone and plugged it in with the USB cable to your computer, you want to go and press next. Now, where it says use an existing port, click on this drop-down list. You need to go down at the bottom. You should see an option for USB in this list. It may be slightly different, but it should be at the bottom and you need to go and select it. I haven't currently got mine connected, but you should, and you then need to go and select it. I'll do this one as an example, and then we can go and press next. And then what you need to do is you're going to go and see the printer driver. I recommend pressing Windows Update and it's then going to go and check for updates and find. Now what's going to happen is Windows is going to go and update the list of printers. So you need to go and wait for this to go and complete because then we can go and install the printer driver we're looking for. So just go and be patient while this goes and completes. It's now gone and completed. And as you can see, you can then go and select the manufacturer. And you then want to go and scroll and you need to go and find your printer drivers here. So go and find your model and you can then go and select it. And you then want to go and press next in the bottom right and you can add it as a name. Then you can press next and you'll get a security pop-up you need to agree to. And now it's going to go and install. So just go and be patient while this goes and completes. Now you successfully added it and you can go and press print a test page or you can go and open up where you want to go and print from and you should be able to go and select your printer and print to it. It's that simple. So now your printer should be recognized by your computer. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.